In the realm of modern alcohol crafting, every innovation ignites a new era of taste exploration. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover a revolutionary distillery system, one that transcends the boundaries of traditional distillation, effortlessly crafting whiskeys, vodkas, gins, and beyond, all within its stainless steel and copper embrace. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this distillation system ensures durability and hygiene standards are met with ease. Its sleek exterior exudes a modern industrial charm, while the strategic use of copper, renowned for its exceptional heat conductivity, ensures precision temperature control throughout the distillation process, allowing each drop to capture the essence of its ingredients with unparalleled purity. Within its sleek frame lies a sophisticated distillation system, utilizing advanced fractional distillation techniques by meticulously controlling temperature and pressure across different layers. It expertly separates the nuances of flavor, ensuring that the smoky depths of whiskey, the crystalline clarity of vodka, and the botanical intricacies of gin are all expertly captured and preserved. Equipped with an intuitive control system, this unit simplifies the distilling process for both seasoned professionals and novice hobbyists. With preset programs or customizable settings, you can tailor each distillation to your unique preferences, turning each creation into a masterpiece. Thanks for watching.